Hello class, welcome to our final week of Psych 617. As always, make sure to check the announcements section once you get to the course shell. I do have an announcement here that I posted last week about the student opinion surveys. If you haven't had the time to fill out the survey, please do so. I really do value your feedback, and the course coordinators that continue to update the class also values your opinions about the course as well, what you liked, what you didn't like, etc. So please make sure you fill out that when you have time. So for this week, week 8, our final week of class, you will be reviewing chapter 17 in your textbook, and there are several links down here that also will help you when completing the discussion board for this week. We are focusing on career development in high school for our final topic. So for preparation, there's really nothing besides completing the final week of this class. In regards to grading work that is due this week, you have your discussion board. It's very similar to the discussion board from last week, except this time you're going to be looking at high school programs, comprehensive high school guidance programs instead of elementary and middle as you did for week 7. So looking at 3 main characteristics, providing 2 references, one of which is not the text, and the second part to really talk about what assignment was most beneficial to you in this course. I will be posting a curveball midway through the week that probably is more reflective about what you did like about this course, what you didn't like about this course as well, to give you some additional time to respond and reflect as well. As always, the curveball posting is not mandatory, but will count towards your peer response postings, or your response postings, I should say. So that's what we have for this week. To finish up is the discussion board, and make sure you do your reading. I hope you've enjoyed this class. I've really enjoyed having this time with you. I hope to see some of you in the future, and I wish you the best of luck as you continue forward in the program.